In this video, I will show you how to remote control using TeamViewer. First, open Chrome browser on your host PC. Type TeamViewer download for PC, and click on the first link. Now click on the download TeamViewer and it will start downloading. After downloading, install it now. Now create a TeamViewer account. I already have an account, so I'm signing in with that. Now install TeamViewer on your other laptop or PC in the same way. This laptop does not require a TeamViewer account. Just enter this ID number and password on your host PC. Now you can control your laptop remotely from your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel.